Login, Heygen. To use Heygen AI Avatar Talking, we must first create an account and log in. To use the free trial, link is in the description. Click on that link and then click on the Get Started option at the top of the page. Creating an account is very simple, but sometimes it may seem complicated. Now, on this page, if you do not have an account, you must click on the Google option. By clicking on this option, your account will be created with the help of your Gmail and in 1 second, very easy. Now I do the same. Now, if you are already logged into Gmail, it will bring your Gmail list in this section, like what you see here. Then you have to click on the desired Gmail. If you are not logged in, there is no problem. Log into your Gmail from Use Another Account option or Login option easily. Then here, you have to confirm it. Click here. After a few seconds, you will be redirected to the Heygen homepage, and you could easily create an account. In this account, you can have free credit to test the application. The link is in the description. By the way, I uploaded many tutorials from Heygen on the channel. Please like the video. Thank you, guys.